Hi guys! Hi guys! Welcome back. I'm here with my friends today. We're going to the Lucille Glass Bridge. And then, yeah, we're here.
Hello.
Hello. Good afternoon. You know my location? You know this Lucille Bridge? Glass Bridge? Brother?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go there. Huh? Okay. Are you excited to go there, guys?
Yeah.
Actually, it's our first time to go there, so we are excited, and Mary also is excited, and Erica is excited also. All of us, it's our first time to go there, so be with us. Don't go away. What's your good name, brother?
My name is Nusrat. I am Pakistan.
From Pakistan.
Yeah. You are Philippine?
Yeah, we
Yeah.
are all
You are
from
new
Philippines.
No.
Yeah, we are new.
In the
Where?
No, we are 2 years now. 2.5
you are
years.
old.
Yeah, quite old.
kababayan.
And now we are heading to the Kitayfan. Look at that. Oh.
Kapasa naman natin sa atin yan.
Anong ginagamit?
And now we are here at the Lucille Glass Bridge, as they say. Here?
Yeah.
Here, brother.
Yeah.
Ah, okay. So we're here. Ito na guys. Andito na kami sa Kitayfan Lucille Glass Bridge. Ito lang pala. So, mamaya ikot-ikot kami dito. Taking pictures and videos. Parang natatakot ka sa sa araw. Hayaan mo na. Hindi yan nakakaitim-tim. Nakakaganda yung araw. Hi, Mary. Mary Magdalene. And
Hello.
Erica Rosales.
Cherry Torresal.
Erico Rosales. Ah, parang din siya, yung parang Cornish, no?
Kala mo glass yung tatapak.
Ayun na, doon.
Ayun nga, glass. Oh. Hi na guys, let's go. Let's start. Let's start the walkathon. So now we're already here, going to this Lucille Glass Bridge. Ayun. Wow, nice. So guys, we're going there, making they're going to the other side. Ayan. So here, just walking and jogging area. Not allowed swimming, huh? Obviously, not allowed. Okay. Yalla, let's go. Oo. Ayan ang sinasabi ng glass. Akala ko yung like sa sa Dubai na yung tinatapakan mo glass talaga. Guys, kami, nabudol kami, na scam kami kasi sabi nga is glass bridge. Ay, ito lang pala. Oh. Yung side niya is glass. Tapos dito, yung tinatapakan natin is cemento. Pero okay lang. Ganon talaga. The iconic Lucille. Yes. Okay. So itong part lang yung talaga.
Pasok ka doon. Oh,
yung
dali,
glass.
Eksena ka doon. Doon sa
Guys, here we go. Nandito na kami sa officially we're here at the Glass Bridge here in Lucille. Ayan, banda dyan is yung tinatapakan natin is glass na talaga, hindi tayo na-scam. Okay.
bakla, ete.
Okay. Let's go.
Hindi yan gaga. Bisa mo.
Ayan. So we'll go here. So officially, I am now walking in here at the Glass Bridge here in Lucille. Yeah. Nasaan ka na? Lusail. Bye. Bye-bye. So that's it guys. Medyo ano din naman lang yung ano dito yung space. Ganun din, same lang din yung puntahan doon sa dito. It's the same place. Ganun din yung style nila. Yung glass na hindi mo naman makikita yung nasa ilalim. Kasi may ano siya printed. So hindi siya makita kung ano nasa ilalim. Pero glass siya, mga best. Tapos yung side niya, glass din. Tapos yung dito, napakot. Napakot glass siya. Tapos hindi makikita below. So hindi siya transparent, di ba? So, ganun lang. So that's it. Kung ano nandito, yung ano, ayan. Ganun din dun sa kabila. Same lang, mga friends. Same lang. Kaya, dito lang kami. See you next time. Sa warawara namin. Ayan, parang napapagod si Erica.
Nawara na. Japanese.
Ayun guys, a short visit here sa may Lucelle Glass Bridge. See you next time. Momwa.